Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family shrimp salad. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Say happy holidays and thank you to all of my subscribers right here. To you who are always coming back, you are my MVP and God bless you today. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. Those of you who are just watching and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Join me. We're in December. This is my anniversary month. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Please select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Happy holidays. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.